Please wait for me to finish it. Okay. Now, this should be the label to replace the original value we have already done here, and we convert SIP SP to nominal scale. Do you remember how to convert? I remember we have mentioned there is a convert. Do you remember here? Convert, just like here. Convert. We copy. Data frame, we convert SIP. SIP is here. SIP, it means it's SIP and his parent and children. Oh no, SIP just SIP. Part is the parents and children. SIP. Have to totally the same. Okay, remember the S is capitalized. S 是大写哦。And this is data frame. So wrong. Then we will find the SIP will convert as nominal because it will without the color. It means success. And then back to here. The final part, standardize part and return. Standardize part and return. So do you remember we have to do the standard scalar here, right? Standard scalar here. But actually, we didn't mention the scalar because standard scalar at least will have two attributes. Remember? Standard scalar have at least two attributes, but only one attribute will use the scalar. I didn't mention in the class, but I will let you know. In the test, I will not provide this part. I will not provide this part, but I want you to memorize. 就是考试的时候，我们之前有教 standard scalar 是 two column. Only if you hold only one column 要用的是 scalar. 所以呢，我们在讲义的这个部分呢，其实有提到。So here we import from scalar and standard scalar. This is preprocessing import scalar, standard scalar, right? But now this time, because only one attribute, we will use the scalar. Only scalar, scalar for only one attribute. And other part is totally the same. Standard scalar, okay. Standard scalar, how to use it? Bit, right? Bit. Okay. Then we use the scalar. Remember, have two bits. Bit who? The attribute P class. And return. You see? I mentioned it had to be returned. Have to be returned. So it means the data frame P class have to be transferred just like this. Okay, let's go. Oh.那 standard scalar 给不给用呢？看一下哈。Standard scalar 怕它不给用。Standard scalar 给不给用？ OK，看一下可不可以用 it。Oh, oh, because it's one. Okay. So I think maybe I will let you have a break first, then we will back to finish this part. 我们先休息一下，因为我怕我时间会超过你的下课时间，我等一下